Today I'm going to be showing you many apps which can increase your productivity, and the only thing you need in that is your Google account. So let's get started. So first up, I would suggest you watch my how to create a Google account video or how to create a Gmail account video, which link is there in the description, because then you're going to need to be in Gmail for this to work. So you will click on these nine dots over here. So these are all of the Google apps. So your account is here, your Google search is here, Maps is here, YouTube is here, the new AI called Gemini is also here. So all of these are the Google apps. So this is the most used Google apps, from shopping area till the account area. And then these are the least used apps, such as finance and Google Analytics and all these random stuff. So each video I'm going to be explaining each one of these apps and what they do. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can use Gmail. Now you might think this is such a simple thing and I'll rather just click off this video and watch something else. Well, I hope you're not going to do that, because you're going to learn a good amount of something in today's video, which can definitely help you out in giving good emails and finding out new things about this, which can increase your efficiency in your daily tasks. So let's get started. So you're going to click on Gmail. So now you're going to be taken to the Google workspace. So you can first up do additional product. So first up, you can get additional protection against phishing. Now if you want to click on continue and you can fill out their form or whatever it is. So first I would like to tell you about some simple stuff which is there in Gmail. So you can see these three areas: promotions, social and primary. So primary is where you're probably going to get direct Gmails, such as, let's say your friend has sent you an email about his birthday party and would like to invite you in. So you're probably gonna get those emails right here. And promotions and social is two different things. So promotions is about mostly ads, and social is going to be mostly about ads and also social media, such as YouTube or Facebook or Instagram. Let's say you have an account on YouTube. So if you have posted a comment and somebody likes your comment, then you're going to get an email right here saying that somebody has liked your comment. If you have gotten a subscriber on your YouTube channel, it's going to tell you over here that you have gotten a subscriber on your YouTube channel. So in promotions, what you do is you get ads. So like I said, in promotions you're going to be getting ads about all other things, such as, let's say you get an ad from Google. Let's say Google is giving you an ad of upgrading your memory which is there for your Gmail, because let's say you work a lot on Gmail, and your 15 GB is finished. So you're going to get all of these ads and promotions in the promotion section. Now these aren't the only things where you're going to get emails on. So if you click on the settings area right here, you will find an area see all settings. So you're going to click on see all settings. So when you click on all settings, you're going to be taken to this page. So there is a lot of settings which you can customize so that it will be exactly how you want it to be. Let's say that when you send an email, you get that thing, it says undo email or undo send. So it stays for 5 seconds, but maybe you weren't able to click on it and it already gotten sent. So you can change that to whatever your preference is. Let's say you can change that to 10 seconds or 20 or even 30. Now I like to keep mine at 20 so that it is clear and I have a little bit time to think about my email and see if I have made any mistakes in it. So now you can find other things here, such as you go to inbox. Now over here you're going to be seeing primary, which obviously you can't remove. So let's say you don't want promotions and social. So then for promotions and social, you are not going to get those emails and you will not be distracted. But there are two new things, such as updates and forums. Let's say you add all of them. Now let's go back and check what's happened. So you have to click on OK to confirm all of the changes. So let's start off with updates. So now what updates is going to do is that it's going to give you updates. Let's say something has launched a new product, or if your subscription of Netflix is about to get over, then you're going to get that email right here, giving you an update of what's actually happening and what you need to more focus on. So in forums, you're basically just going to get messages from your online groups, discussion forums and mailing lists and all of the other things. So now let's move on to something else. This is your starred area. Now starred is something which is important for you and which you, let's say you want to read it later on, that's why you can click star button on your email and then all of your starred emails will be right here. So for snooze, it will be that you're going to just read those emails later, or you are just way too lazy to read them right now, so you will read them later. Now sent is basically all of the emails which you have sent to somebody or which you have not sent. So drafts is all of your drafts. Let's say you are typing an email right here, you're typing blah blah blah. Let's say you're typing to somebody, so I'm not really gonna, let's say you're writing an email. So you've written something, hi, my name is. Now you have to go somewhere or something's wrong and so you've written something, but now let's say you have to go somewhere or it's an emergency, so you closed it. Now instead of writing all of that again, you can go to your drafts, you can click on this and then you can finish it off. You can say my name is Joe. So you can write anything right here and then it will be saved into your draft if you have not sent that message to anyone else. So you can click on delete if you are never going to use it again. Now in the more area, there's going to be chats, importance, scheduled and all emails, spam, trash. So there's going to be a lot of categories right here. And if you want me to make more videos like this, make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button and let me know in the comments if I should make more video like this. So thank you, and I hope I helped you in learning a few more things about Gmail so that you can increase your productivity and efficiency.